This is a 1967 Chevrolet CK10 or C10 here at Maclay Motors. It's gorgeous red color. I'm not sure which red this is. I don't know if it's a original Chevrolet color or not. This is not your grandpa's C10. You see these lines. I love the red and white. You do have a spray-in bed liner. A little bit of water still in the bottom. We washed everything out and swept it out, so it's not completely dry yet. Look at this. This kind of gives you an idea of what I'm going to show you in a few minutes. It's a little bit wider than stock. I love these chrome bumpers. This truck's great for tailgating. I've not found any rust on this truck at all. Found a few tiny paint blemishes. Let me show you this interior. Everything is nice and tight. I'm not 100% sure what the point of that is, but you do have a few more gauges here in the old glove box. Have an aftermarket stereo. Come around and show this. It's just more. Oh, I don't know why my camera is not lighting right. Sorry about that. You can see everything's where it should be. Those these are red, in case you couldn't tell. Now this is something a little different. That's a Chevy Vortec 6-liter in the 67 truck. Does have headers on it, cold air intake, optimal battery. See a Griffin aluminum radiator here. And yes, way down there in the dark depths of the engine block is an air conditioning compressor. So you got your other stuff that's painted red. Power brakes, a nice chrome master cylinder. It's pretty high speed stuff here. Power steering. You can see the frame. I really wish my camera was doing right. It's one of those things where I have trouble with modern devices. This wiring is all crisp and clean. You can see in the photographs. I mean, look at the attention to detail. Under the hood, nothing skipped over. This does have an automatic transmission. You can see which one it is in the details below. I love this. Here's something else you're gonna like. Go ahead and start it for us. Love the way that sounds. I want to show you, if this camera will work, I want to show you one more thing back here. If it'll focus, it does have a nice stainless steel gas tank. I'm super impressed with the welding, how this work was done. True duals. Man, I love this truck. So for more information, give us a call at 1-850-877-2600 or look us up on the web at www.maclaymotors.org.